In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create pages in multiple languages in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over to your HubSpot website page by going over to your content and locating the page that you want to edit. I have right here this page. Once you have this, click onto the settings or gear icon right here. Now click onto the language. And in here, you need to choose first your page language. Now click on this and make sure that it's on the language that you want to use. Now, once you have selected your language, you also have the option to translate it to other languages, so it can be other language for other users on geography or geolocations. So once you have those ready, you can proceed to choose the language that you want to translate it with and save it from there. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.